how you can fix your mail sending problem. So hello guys, welcome back to this another brand new dish. So I will teach you how you can do this. So at first you have to go for your settings. After going settings, you have to just go for app management, and after that you have to click in this app list and search for Gmail. So guys, here you have to come and click in the storage users. You have to clear cache and clear data. After doing that, you have to go for permissions and you have to allow in your every objects. So after that, you have to click for force stop. And guys, this how you have to solve your Gmail problems. Okay guys, so thanks for watching this video.